Alright everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Genelyn, and today's video I will be showing you how to make this crochet lavender flower. So this is the finished product, and this is the bouquet I made. Okay, so the materials I used: soft indophyl yarn and a 3.0mm hook, pliers and a pair of scissors, a tie wire, glue stick and glue gun. So without further ado, let's jump to the tutorial. Okay, so this is how you do it. First, you have to slip stitch. Okay, and then after that, we have to make 54 total of chains. Okay, 54 chains. After making the 54 chains, count 3 stitches from the hook and then make a 4 double crochet. So 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, and then 4 double crochet in the same stitch, the third chain from the hook. Okay, after that, 2, 3, 4. So chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then slip stitch on the same stitch where you make the 4 double crochets. Alright, so after that, slip stitch on the next chain, slip stitch, and then chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So, and then after that, slip stitch on the same stitch where you begin the chain. Okay, so just like that. So ganun lang, and then another slip stitch on the next chain again. Okay, slip stitch and 7 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and then slip stitch on the same stitch. So the process is you have to slip stitch and then chain and then slip stitch again on the same stitch or the same chain, and you have to repeat this process all the way until you finish the very end of your chains, or you have finished all the chains. So kailangan mo yung gawin. Ayan, slip stitch lang. Alright, so ganyan. Okay, so you have to do until the end. Repeat the process only. So now I already cut the yarn. Okay, so this is the last 2 chains na ginawa natin. Okay, so I already cut it. Okay, so slip stitch and then slip stitch again on the last stitch or the last chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and slip stitch. Oh good, nahirapan. Ito eh. I already cut the yarn. So okay. Kailangan hindi nyo i-cut para hindi kayo mahirapan. Sa akin kasi na-cut na eh. So, at the end, the 2 tail, we have to tie it together, entwine it together, happy together. Charot. Okay, so after that, so this is the ano. So after that, grab our tie wire and then i-glue natin sa dulo. And So this part ay dinikit ko siya in the right side of the finished crochet. So ganito yung itsura niya kung right side ang gagamitin natin. Ayan. So parang maliit siya tignan. Kasi parang naka-close yung mga ano niya, mga petals. So ayan. So that is this is how we make the lavender crochet flower. Okay, and then sa dulo, just put some glue, melted glue, para madikit siya. Ayan. So pasensya na sa glue gun ko, it's very dirty because ang daming glue stick na ano sa kanya. Matagal na kasi itong glue gun ko. Ayan. So nakadikit na siya, and then the tail, wag mong putulin yung tail. Dikitan lang natin ng floral tape. Ganyan. Okay. So ayan lang. Ganun ka-simple yung lavender flower. So this excuse me. I already salamat pala sa mga ideas na gumawa ng lavender flower. So na-inspire akong gumawa ng lavender flower, and then na-inspire din akong magbenta. So fortunately, nakabenta ako ng isang bouquet, dalawang bouquet pala. Dalawang bouquet pala rather, charot. Dalawang bouquet. My client is from Argao. Thank you so much, sir, for purchasing or for ordering my handmade product. So I really appreciate it, and I'm so happy na nakabenta and na may ganahan. So sabi niya, ingon siya nga, 100% satisfied, charot. So ganon. Na happy naman si ako is because, ayan, nagustuhan niya pala. Bigay niya siya sa nanay niya. Siguro birthday ng nanay niya kahapon. Tapos dumating nung nakaraang araw lang. So, ayan. Ganyan siya. Medyo maliit. Medyo maliit siya tingnan pag right side ang dinikit natin. Let's try naman sa wrong side. Okay. So, glue. Melted glue again, and then let's find out if medyo bumuka ba siya o hindi. So this is the wrong side of the crocheted churva. Ayan, i-try natin. Okay. So ayan. Sige, dikit lang natin, dikit lang. Tanggalin mo na yung mga parang cobweb sa glue. Ayan. Kailangan din idikit itong nasa pinaka dulo. Ayan, parang bumuka siya. Bumuka yung flower, lavender flower. This is I think this is the very the easiest flower na nagawa ko. I already made the sunflower, the lily, and rose. Saka ko na lang yung tutorial for that. Okay, so ganito yung nangyari sa wrong side na dinikit natin. Okay, so ayan. So dikit lang, i-roll lang natin. Same process as what we did earlier sa isa nating lavender flower. Okay? So ayan. Ayan, dikit natin, and then let's use the floral tape. Okay. Ayan. So, ayan. Ayan. Malapit na matapos ang ating lavender flower. So, this is the wrong side na dinikit natin. This is the finished product of our crochet lavender flower. So, either way, as you can see, you can discover, or you can observe the slight difference between the wrong side and the right side. Either way, it is very beautiful. Depende po sa inyo kung ano yung gagamitin nyo. So, thank you so much for watching, and see you on my next video. Please remember to like and share the video, and please don't forget to subscribe. See you. Thank you so much for supporting, and I love you much.